What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and internet connection problem on your Redmi 13. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down, tap on more connectivity options. Now here in more connectivity options, scroll down and here tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth option, and then again tap on reset. Now enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern, and when you will enter the correct pin, password or pattern of your lock screen and tap on next, it will reset the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and internet connection settings, and after that the issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and internet connection problem on your Redmi 13. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.